So good morning, everyone.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. So, what we discussed last class,
Asset accounting.
asset accounting, depreciation area settings, we discussed. Right? And let us go for asset classes.
లేదండి లాస్ట్ 6 వే
The asset class mainly we need to define a account determination. Account determination, screen layout, member ranges, asset class, main asset, sub asset. So as we discussed, so land, so SAP delivered 10,000 is a standard one. Z 10,000 I am giving. This is for land. Even screen layout also SAP delivered standard one only. This is for 1,000 is there. I'll copy that 1,000. I'll keep it. The number range key 10. The number ranges so 10 lakhs to 10,999. And here asset class freehold land. Giving the coding Z 10,001. And one more asset class I am going to create. Z 10,002. Leasehold land. So two asset classes I am going to create. So two asset classes we are using the same account determination, same screen layout, screen. So next buildings. Z 11,000 is a buildings. Z 110 11 factory buildings. And then office buildings. Okay. Z 20,000 plant and machinery. office equipments. Asset under construction. Low value assets. Z 500. 50. So what is a low value asset means? The asset value is less than 5,000 will be treated as a low value asset. So this is a structure we are going to design, and suppose you are creating any main asset. So the machinery, let's create a machinery. Zero one. So machinery 01 I am creating. Machinery 01 I am creating. The number it takes 20,000 hyphen 0. Motor 01 it takes hyphen 1 it takes 20,000 hyphen 1. So 20,000 0. So 20 lakhs hyphen 1. So you don't note it down? So let us do the configuration. So write down copy reference chart of depreciation. Copy reference chart of depreciation or depreciation areas. Path SPRO. Financial accounting new. Asset accounting. Organizational structures. Copy reference chart of depreciation or depreciation areas. Copy reference chart of depreciation or depreciation areas. Double click on copy reference chart of depreciation. Double click on copy reference chart of depreciation. And then click on copy organizational object button. Click on copy organizational object button. So normally in live environment, 0 IN will be there. So this is removed in a IDS version. So you can copy from 1 IN. India. ZCOD. Jindal chart of depreciation. Jindal chart of depreciation, enter. So do you really want to transport the numbers? Click on no button. Note down this message. Do you really want to transport number and click on no button. So here Jindal Group. So the IN is copied and created a ZC word. Okay, this is the first step. And press back button, double click on specify description of chart of depreciation. Specify description of chart of depreciation. Jindal chart of depreciation for India. Jindal chart of depreciation for India. Press back button. Third step, double click on copy or delete depreciation areas. Copy or delete depreciation areas. Give chart of depreciation GCOD. And here you select 20, 31, 41, 51. So delete. $20, $31, $41. This is for investment measure model. This is for CO model purpose, only costing purpose. It's not required that many. Save it. Delete and save it. So now select one by one now. Select 01 depreciation. Press details button. Select 01 depreciation. Press details button. Jindal book depreciation for local gap. So area post in real time. Target 0 ledger. So this is a 1. And next 15. So this is not going to be real posting. So area does not post. Only for statistical. Only for information purpose we use income tax reporting. Only calculation reporting purpose. But it doesn't post any values to the GL account. Next, third one is 30. This is for IFRS. And this post only depreciation. Areas post only depreciation. That too only GX ledger. And 32 depreciation area. US gap. So this also area does not post. This is also statistical. So total 4 depreciation areas we are using. One depreciation area, real depreciation area. So this is going to be posted to all the GL accounts. And income tax is a statistical depreciation area. It shows only values, it will not calculate. And IFRS depreciation area, only depreciation will be posted. Remaining will not be posted. Okay, that too only separate ledgers it will update. So that is a GX ledger. The GX ledger it will update separately. So only depreciation. And this US gap is derived depreciation. What is there in a local gap? The same thing I'm going to copy to 32 depreciation area. And but this is only INR currency, this is USD currency. That is only difference. So that's it about the chart of depreciation settings. And this we need to assign to company code. Write an assign chart of depreciation to company code. Assign chart of depreciation to company code. Click on position button, give company code GI01. So assign to chart of depreciation GCOD. I'm trying to assign for both the company codes. Indian company codes. This is only for Indian company codes. So it is showing some message. Noted down this message. Inconsistency between FI company code GI01, chart of depreciation GCOD. So for this, two things, important things we need to do before going to assign your company code. OA, OB, T code, just please remember, we'll come back to this one. First thing is, so we need to assign a 0% tax codes. Assign input tax indicator for non-taxable applications. Assign input tax indicator for non-taxable acquisitions. Up to asset accounting, same path. Integration with general ledger accounting. Integration with general ledger accounting. Assign input tax indicator for non-taxable acquisitions. Assign input tax indicator for non-taxable acquisitions. Click on position button. Give company code GI01. Make sure that V0, A0 tax codes are assigned to company codes. Input tax V0, output tax A0. So one more thing, currencies. Specify the use of parallel currencies. Specify the use of parallel currencies. Up to asset accounting, same path. Select valuation. Currencies. Specify the use of parallel currencies. Specify the use of parallel currencies. And here, hard currency. So for 32, so we are using hard currency, save it. So company code, we are assigned only one company, one currency. This step is not required. But we are using two parallel currencies. Na? So one is company code currency, one is hard currency. So that hard currency have to link to one of the depreciation area. So that is called US GAAP addition. Okay. So because two currencies are there at company code level, the currency has to link to one of the depreciation area. That is mandatory. So now come back to this assignment of depreciation area to company code. Assign chart of depreciation to company code OAOB. Assign chart of depreciation to company code OAOB. Up to asset accounting, same path. Select organizational structures. Assign chart of depreciation to company code. Save it. Okay. I'm suffering with a headache. Could you please ignore me today? Could not able to explain. So we'll continue tomorrow's class. Okay. So we'll have a class tomorrow also. Yeah, please. Hello. So next class also no class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Please,
Okay.
sorry for that, everyone. Okay. I'm suffering with a severe headache. Kalpana, Lavanya.
It's okay, sir.
Okay. Sorry. Please. Okay, we'll have a class tomorrow also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
No holiday tomorrow. Okay.
Mm.